I thought it'd be super fun tonight to hop on and test out some new holiday makeup. I have some really festive products here that we can test out. I have this new primer from Milk Makeup, only this is their gripping primer, but now it has a glowing, they have their glowing version, the luminous and the radiant version. It looks like it has this beautiful kind of shimmer to it. So I thought we could test this out. Very festive, seemingly very festive. Let's find out. And then also I have the Colourpop Frosty palette, which I've already played with a little bit, and it's so amazing. It's so good, but I figured we'll do a different look today. And then I have some Colourpop lippies. Colourpop came out with these amazing lip kits for the holiday season, just a bunch of them. So I figured we'll play with at least one. And so let's go ahead and dive right in, because so now here is that primer that I was just telling you about from Milk Makeup. This is the Hydro Grip and Base, only this is the illuminating version. Let's go ahead and put some on. Now I'm just using my brush here. You could always use your fingers, but oh wow, that has a ton of luminosity. Definitely more than the Charlotte Tilbury. If you like the Hollywood Flawless Filter, this is going to have more shimmer to the product, more illumination, but look at that glow. It feels very cool and gel-like on the skin. It feels moisturizing. Oh, I guess because it is the Hydro version, so this is moisturizing. The Hydro version is a moisturizing formulation from Milk Makeup, so this feels incredible. Wow, it feels very, very hydrating and nourishing. But what do you think? I can't wait to see how it looks under the foundation, because on its own, it's really beautiful. It's, oh my gosh, it's that youthful glow. It's that glowing skin look. It's that glass skin. But let's test it out under the foundation. I do have here the Huda Beauty Easy Blur. I haven't been wearing this. I don't know why. I've been wearing my RMS Beauty skin tint, which is amazing because it has SPF 50 in it. So I wear that every day. I also wear my Charlotte Tilbury every day for some reason, but let's go ahead and try this out. So I did try this before against the Patrick Ta when it first came out, and I was trying to see which one was better, but it's beautiful. It's so creamy, this foundation. It has a lot of coverage. It's great for probably the holiday parties and the winter months because it is moisturizing. I have to try her new eyeshadow palette. Have you tried it? I didn't get that yet. But I saw it the other day at Sephora, and it looked beautiful. The illuminating primer from Milk just peeks through. And then let's go ahead and put on a little bit of concealer. Although I don't think I've used this Colourpop palette before and it didn't have fallout. So I don't think it's going to have fallout today. But let's just do our face anyway, just because I want to see how everything looks, the illuminating primer, and I want to see how everything looks together. I'm very excited. I love seeing those illuminating products under the powder. So just putting on a little bit of Too Faced concealer here. Okay, so here is the setting powder. Let's just set this little situation here. We can see if the skin is giving. This is the Mercier Ultra Blur Talc Free Setting Powder, which I love, and I couldn't find it for the longest time, but we've been reunited. So are you guys going to be going to any parties or anything? Normally I don't go, but all of a sudden I've been so inspired, and I'm like, let's go to the parties. I want to go to all the parties, and normally I'm kind of a homebody. I've been a homebody my entire life, but all of a sudden I've been so inspired to get out and go to the parties. Okay, now here is the new Colourpop palette, the Frosty palette. So I know I tried this out, but I think what happened, did I post it on Reels or whatnot? I might have, or TikTok, but I don't remember because at one point in time I was posting so much, so I cannot remember. But let's go ahead. I want to try this gray shade here, so I'm just gonna pack that all over with a shader brush. Oh, that is gorgeous. I know last time I did not pack it on with a shader brush. If I might have posted some videos I made, guys, and they got flipping erased, believe it or not. I actually did a look with my Colourpop, the holiday palette, a different holiday palette. And the look was it came out so good, and then I erased it by accident. So did I erase this palette, this look? I don't know. But anyway, look at that. How gorgeous. This is very unique. It's like giving gray, but violet as well. It's not your average gray. It's beautiful, and look, no fallout, and so creamy. I think that, I don't know if Colourpop came out with a new formula, but they're very creamy now. They feel very much, when you apply their shadows, it's just an exact dupe for my Makeup by Mario palette, my Natasha Denona's. It's really the same exact thing. And because the other Colourpop holiday palette I have is new, it's warm tone, just, you know, those warm tone shades, and it's exactly like my Makeup by Mario palette that I just got. And this reminds me of that Makeup by Mario palette that I'm just reaching for a brush here, you guys. I have to get, this is my favorite, one of my favorite brushes. Well, I think this is actually my favorite brush ever. If there's just one, this Charlotte Tilbury eye smudger is unbelievable. So it's, I don't know if you can see, but do you see how perfectly it smudges out your eyes? I think this brush is amazing. So anyway, I'm just gonna put a little bit of shimmer on from this palette. Let's just put a little bit of this. That's why I was even thinking about getting that new Huda palette, and I was like, but that reminds me of my Frosty palette from Colourpop. And first of all, I already have it, and on top of it, I mean, it's this palette is like $20, so it's more affordable, but it's the same exact thing, except possibly even, you know, if it could be better. And now, you know, oh, look at this. How perfect is this for this look? Pat McGrath bronzer, but I had bought this one a while back. I never use it because it's so light, but actually it's perfect for this look. You see? It's because it's not warm whatsoever. It's cool. It's neutral bronzer. It's the perfect nose contour if you're like me and you are pale and you don't want to look too orange. Here I have this palette. This is also new makeup. This is a new Too Faced face palette for the holidays. So this palette is absolutely, I've used this before. It's everything beautiful and wonderful, yes. And I'm just taking this baby pink here, and it also comes with the Moon Crush highlighter. And so how gorge. Hey guys, I'm back. I just put on these lashes. These are actually BK Beauty lashes, and I'm not sure if she still has lashes, but I got these a while ago, but they have stayed so perfectly. These were from the Risa Does Makeup collab. So I don't know if they still have them because that was like a year ago, but they're perfect. So very wispy, light, and yet they give you tons of lash. So, okay, now here is this lip kit that Colourpop has come out with for the holiday season. This one is called Cozy Hour, and everything comes beautifully packaged. So I'm gonna first put on the lip liner. Very creamy. Here's the So Juicy lip gloss coordinating, or the lip gloss that they paired with it for this. So this is just like those Tarte pens. You just click and then you can apply it to your lips. So moisturizing. Oh my goodness, feels so good. Wow. So beauties, this is the finished look. I could not love this makeup more, especially this eyeshadow palette. This is again the Frosty palette. This lip is everything. Oh my goodness. I just looked at even the names. The names are so festive too. The name of this lip liner is Tease, and then the lip gloss in the So Juicy lip gloss is called Vacay Mode or Mood. Let me say it, Mood. Vacay Mode. So I could not recommend this more. If I could only get, okay, let's say two things today, I would get this and the Colourpop palette, because everything else, you know, the foundation, I'm not really blown away or see anything special. I don't know. I just, you know, I'm not that, it's great. It's very good, but you know, but this is outstanding. And this eyeshadow palette is outstanding. And, oh, these Too Faced blushes are so nice. That blush palette too, that holiday blush palette, this here is so nice too. Actually, I wish I could have, can we have some more, please? Excuse me. We need some more blush. So let's see. Bring back the blush. Yeah, if you can get this for yourself again, or gift it to a loved one. Oh my goodness, your little makeup lover, the makeup lover in your life would love this. It's so moisturizing too. Tastes delicious, plumping. The color is outstanding. So anyway, beauties, let me know what you think of this holiday makeup look. Have you tried any of these products yet? Let me know down below. Would you try these? What are you picking up for the holidays? Are you gonna venture out or just stay cozy and stay cozy in the house? So anyway, beauties, I hope that you're doing good, and I will see you very soon. Bye.